there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video we will see how to create a class and how to create objects of a class. Last video we already covered about what is a class and why do we need classes. So let's get started. You open BlueJ, say new class, give it a name as rectangle. Once you have the class, go ahead and delete whatever it says. We don't need this, we don't need any of these. Now we have a simple class called as rectangle. It's going to have two properties or attributes or characteristics, length, and a rectangle has a breadth. We can calculate area of a rectangle, but before that we need to set the values for rectangle. But before that we need to set the values for length and breadth. So we'll say public void set details, passing in the parameters int L comma int B, and set the values for the length and set the values for the breadth. Next we need to find the area. So I can say public void calculate area, and I can just say system dot out dot println length into breadth, and we can write area is equals to, just to make it more readable. Next we will need to calculate rectangle. So I can say public void calculate perimeter, and this will be perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Fine. Now let's create a static void main method. Create the object of the class rectangle R1 equals to new rectangle. We need to call the method R1 dot set details, passing in the values say 2 comma 3. We'll call the method R1 dot calculate area, and then we'll say R1 dot calculate perimeter. So you can see we have our class rectangle which has length and breadth as the attributes, or you can say them as data members of the class as they hold data. They are variables, and we have three methods: set details, calculate area, calculate parameter, which are called as instance methods or member methods of a class. So it's just simple: create a class, the members of a class with the methods, they access the members of the same class. Static method, create the object of the class. Using the object, use the dot operator to invoke the methods. Because this method takes two parameters of type int, pass the values of type int. Call the calculate area, which prints the area accessing the length and breadth values set on R1. Call calculate perimeter, which again calculates the perimeter using the length and breadth values set again using the R1. This way I can go ahead and create multiple objects. So I can say rectangle R2 with different values, say for example 3 comma 4, and then I can say R2 and R2. So you can see just one class created, and I am able to create multiple objects of the same class. Let's execute and see. No errors. Right click, void main. You can see for the first one the values were 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, that is 6. Perimeter 2 plus 3 5 times 2 is 10. Again same goes for the second rectangle. In case you want to pass the values taking input from the user, you can do that as well. So I can say new scanner system dot in. We can say int L is equals to sc dot next int, Same way I can take the values for the breadth and I can pass in the values over here. So I'll just comment this out. So you can see I can even pass the values taking in from the user. So I can say L comma B. And then for this we need to import java.util.star. You compile, let's close this. Again let's execute. It waits for me to pass the values 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15. The perimeter 5 plus 3, 8 times 2, 16, and same goes for the second one. Okay, so this is how you create classes. You create the objects of a class and invoke the methods of a class. Next video we will see few more examples on creating classes, member methods of a class and creating the objects of the class. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.